land between the Tigris and the Euphrates where cities learned to be cities. Around 10,000 BCE, people farmed wild grains here. Irrigation turned muddy floodplains into food factories. By 3500–3000 BCE, Sumer blossoms Uruk-ur-Lagash, dense, buzzing city-states. Priests tally grain with clay tokens. Then, boom, cuneiform, the first writing, around 3200 BCE. Wheels roll, sails catch river wind, plows bite soil. Ziggurats climb. And somewhere, a hero king wrestles fame in the Epic of Gilgamesh. Then empire arrives. Sargon of Akkad, circa 2334 BCE, knits cities into the Akkadian Empire. Military, roads, bureaucracy. It booms, then busts. Ur-3 rises around 2100 BCE, bringing tax records and one of the earliest law codes, Ur-Nammu. Enter the Amorites. Old Babylon grows under Hammurabi, around 1750 BCE, with a famous law code etched in stone. Yes, an eye for an eye, but also contracts, wages, and property rules. Trade caravans shuffle tin and textiles. Scribes calculate with base 60 math, thank them for 60 minutes in an hour and 360 degrees in a circle. Power shifts again. Kassites hold Babylon for centuries. Then Assyria surges, iron, siege engines, and imperial PR. Kings like Tiglath-Pileser III and Sennacherib expand, relocate populations, and tax everything that moves. In Nineveh, Ashurbanipal gathers a colossal library: myths, medicine, omen lists, the internet of clay. Assyria falls, Neo-Babylon rises. Nebuchadnezzar II rebuilds Babylon, raises the Ishtar Gate, and maybe those hanging gardens. In 539 BCE, Cyrus the Great walks in. Mesopotamia becomes a jewel in the Persian crown. What's the legacy? Cities that plan themselves, laws that outlast kings, writing that remembers, time you wear on your wrist, and stories, floods, heroes, gods that echo in later scriptures. Mesopotamia didn't just start civilization, it taught civilization how to scale, and we're still living on its timetable.